Today, behind me, we have the Honda Civic 2023 Type R. Okay, so the Honda Civic has gone through the prep stages. It's now in the PPF area, ready to be protected. The guys have already started applying the PPF. The wonderful thing about this car, it's a 2023 model, but thankfully, due to the software that we have, all of the software is the most up-to-date and most relevant PPF, completely accurate. So we're now applying perfectly pre-cut PPF to this vehicle, protecting it ready for the use on the road. So the Honda Civic Type R 2023 model is now protected with gloss PPF. Every surface of this car has now been protected, giving the owner the ability to be able to drive this car however he wants, wherever he wants, knowing that every part of this car is protected. The software for this brand new model is absolutely amazing. The pattern is absolutely perfect. Take a look at this.